Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the keto diet, which has been gaining a lot of popularity lately. In this video we'll cover what a keto diet is, how it works, and some tips to help beginners get started, so let's dive right in. First, what is a keto diet? In simple terms, the keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to put your body into a state of ketosis. This means that instead of using carbohydrates for energy, your body burns fat for fuel. By consuming a high amount of healthy fats, moderate amounts of protein, and very low amounts of carbohydrates, your body will produce ketones which help break down fats more efficiently. Now let's talk about how it works. The human body typically runs on glucose, which is the sugar that comes from carbohydrates. When you switch to a keto diet, you drastically reduce the amount of glucose available in your body, and your body starts using fats for energy instead. When this happens, your liver produces ketones from fat to provide energy to your brain and body. So, what can you eat on a keto diet? Well, the focus is on consuming healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, as well as moderate amounts of protein, such as meat, fish, and eggs. Some examples of foods to avoid include high-carb fruits and vegetables, grains, and sugary snacks. Here are some tips for beginners who want to try the keto diet. Start by tracking your carbohydrate intake. The key to achieving ketosis is to limit your carb intake. Aim for 20-30 grams of net carbs per day to start. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Healthy fats such as olive oil, coconut oil, and avocados are a great source of energy on a keto diet. Make sure to incorporate them into your meals. Don't forget about protein. While the keto diet is high in fat, it's still important to get enough protein to maintain muscle mass. Aim for 0.6-0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important on any diet, but especially on a keto diet where you're losing water weight. Aim for at least 8-10 cups of water per day. Be patient. It can take a few days to a week for your body to enter ketosis, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. In conclusion, the keto diet can be a great way to lose weight and improve your overall health. By consuming a low-carb, high-fat diet, your body will enter ketosis and start burning fat for energy. If you're interested in trying the keto diet, make sure to track your carbohydrate intake, incorporate healthy fats and protein into your diet, stay hydrated, and be patient. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.